Oh yeah. Oh man, I'm dominating. Oh, it's graped you in the mouth. What? Are my package home yet? Or is it in here yet? My room? Okay. It says that the Xbox 360 is overheating. It gets too hot. So, it's gotta be water cooled. Okay, I can do that. Gotta cool it down, man. Gotta make sure you get all the water in it. All in it. All in there. Nice and deep, black. Gotta fill it up. Fill this up. Get all the vents. Very important. Get all the vents. All right. Cold water. Oh, that's warm water. We want cold water. Okay. Okay. Now, let's go try it out. Okay. See, and we put the water in, it shorted out the on-off switch, or the plug-in back here. So we have to take a different approach to see if it even works. I couldn't find jump cables, so I'm using my RC jumper cables. Now, this should work. Oh, it worked! It worked! No, it didn't. It didn't work. Wow. Must be short. It's plugged in. I'll tell you what. I'll tell you. Okay. Well, we got a couple more approaches to try. It says by smashing the detector, it takes the red ring, the heat, will stop it from overheating. So we'll try. Let's see what's back with it. Come on, baby! It's out of gas. Push your back. Okay, now we're going to do a different approach because the last one didn't really work. So, let's try it out. Work? Maybe this one will work. Xboxes. Xboxes suck, huh? Well, really, this is the only really thing you can do left. I don't want to waste too much gas. It's very important to waste gas for something like this. There we go. Okay, baby. You know, what do you say? You gotta go, you gotta go. Woo! This is really the only way to fix the problem. You always gotta buy a new one.